Welcome to Produkt channel and enjoying this video. Midea Compact Refrigerator, Thermoelectric Mini Fridge. Recessed Handle. Recessed handle makes your refrigerator look delicate and modern, and makes it convenient for opening the refrigerator. Adjustable temperature control allows you to adjust internal temperature manually between 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit - 50.0 degrees Fahrenheit 1 degrees Celsius - 10 degrees Celsius. Keep your freshness lasting longer. Reversible door. With reversible door hinge, feel free to select left or right swing opening, which fits your habits and very situations. Internal slide-out wire shelf makes it more easy for storage and cleaning. Quieter and Energy Star certified. The refrigerator runs efficiently with low noise and energy saving. Check link in description below to get the most updated price in real time. We never know when these things might go on sale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.